Hello, beautiful colleagues. Yeah, thank you for tuning in to my channel. It's been a while. I know I was away for some times, but now I'm back. Yeah, thank you so much for staying tuned and still watching those videos. I get loads of comments, people calling, making inquiries on how to enroll for classes. I quite appreciate all of this from the depth of my heart. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Yeah, so we started a series on diabetes, which is one of your community scenario. Yeah, we've already done assessments on this particular topic. You might want to watch it from here, right? So today we're going to be diving into the planning. That is the P part of the APIE. Yeah, so we've got two more and it will be coming up very soon. Okay, so with that being said, let's get deeper into the video. Right, welcome back. So in your OSCE, planning station is basically you addressing the problems that was earlier identified in the course of your assessment. So that is just the summary. However, if you have identified some problems while you were carrying out your assessment, do watch out for this trap so that you don't fall victim. In most cases, those problems you thought you've identified might have been resolved. So you need to read your scenario to understand what is expected of you to write. So if any problem has been resolved, you don't need to write on it again. It's going to be terrible, you writing on what has already been resolved for a patient. Okay, read your scenario and understand what is expected of you. So for this station, I've come up with two important care plan that could be beneficial to you in the course of your exam. So let's take a look. So the first one I have here is Janet is at risk of malnutrition due to reduced oral intake and diabetes. That is the nursing problem I have identified. Right, so my aim of care is to improve nutritional intake, prevent further weight loss, and support stable blood glucose control. My aim of care is to improve nutritional intake, prevent further weight loss, and support stable blood glucose control. So the reevaluation date will be today, the date of exam in brackets open and close, weekly or sooner if the clinical condition changes. For my interventions now, the first one, I will explain and discuss all aspects of care to Janet and obtain an informed consent. The next one, I will monitor Janet's vital observation, including weight using weighing tool. Next, I will assess Janet for signs of malnutrition, such as loose ring, loose band, or muscle wasting. The next one, I will use MOS chart to assess the risk of malnutrition. Encourage small but frequent meals. Next, keep input and output chart. The next one, administer prescribed due medications, monitoring effectiveness and side effects after 30 minutes. Next, refer Janet to the dietitian for further plan of care. Next, inform Janet to contact her GP, 999 for non-emergency and 111 for emergency. The last but not the least, document all care as planned. Because if it's not documented in OSCE, it means it's not done. Yeah, so we have successfully written one care plan for this patient. The next one, the nursing problem. Janet is at risk of impaired skin integrity due to reduced sensation and diabetes. What is my aim of care? To maintain Janet's skin integrity, prevent breakdown, and reduce the risk of infection. Right. The reevaluation date today, that's exam date in brackets open and close, weekly or sooner if the clinical condition changes. My interventions is as follows. Explain and discuss all aspects of care to Janet and obtain informed consent. The second one, Monitor the patient's skin integrity daily, particularly the feet and pressure areas, watching closely for early sign of breakdown or infection. Moving on, assess Janet's skin and feet for any sign of damage, reduced sensation, poor circulation and infection, as well as her ability to care for her skin. Next, teach Janet daily skin and foot care, such as washing feet daily with warm, not hot water. Dry carefully, especially between toes. Also use moisturizer on dry skin. Next, administer prescribed due medications, monitoring effectiveness as well as the side effects after 30 minutes. The next one, refer Janet to podiatry for full foot assessment. Also, diabetic specialist nurse for ongoing diabetic education. Next, inform Janet to contact a GP or 999 for non-emergency and 111 for emergency. Lastly, on that note, document all aspects of care as planned. Yeah, it could be that easy. So I've got a bonus for you to make it the third care plan. So out of these three, you should be able to comfortably write 2 nursing care plan in your exam. Yeah. For the bonus, the nursing problem is Janet is experiencing ongoing tiredness and low energy level related to poor nutrition and fluctuating blood glucose levels. My aim of care is to reduce Janet's fatigue, improve her energy levels, and support her ability to carry out daily activities. Yeah. The reevaluation date will be today, exam date in bracket open and close, weekly or sooner if the clinical condition changes. My interventions is as follows. Explain and discuss all aspects of care to Janet and obtain informed consent. Energy levels, activities tolerance, sleep pattern, nutritional intake, and blood glucose level to assess ongoing fatigue. Next, assess Janet's level of fatigue, ability to carry out daily activities, sleep pattern, nutrition, blood glucose control, and emotional well-being. The next one, teach Janet how to manage her energy through regular meals, good blood sugar control, rest, and balanced activities. The next one, administer prescribed due medications, monitoring effectiveness and side effects after 30 minutes. The next one, refer Janet to dietitian and diabetes specialist nurse. Also involve the GP and other services if fatigue continues to affect her daily life. Next, inform her to contact GP, 999 for non-emergency and 111 for emergency. Lastly, on that note, document all aspects of care as planned. Again, if it is not documented in OSCE, it is not done. It could be that easy. There you have 3 great nursing care plans to write for this community scenario, which is a case of diabetes. Yeah, it could be that easy. Should you require a one-on-one classes in your OSCE preparation, do not hesitate to contact us through the contact displayed on your screen, and we'll be happy to assist you. Until I come your way in my subsequent videos, keep practicing OSCE. Bye.